Doug was working on an industrial machine that shreds, and it would get debris caught on the teeth. And one of his jobs was to clean that machine up. So prior to the incident, Doug was in the machine, removing the debris from the cutting devices. And they think it was a faulty switch, conducted enough electricity to make the machine think it was in the on mode.
My dad was killed 22 days before his 40th birthday. Lockout, Tagout would have saved his life. Would have saved his life. Would have saved his life.